Good evening. My name is Blair Dunkel. This is MBA 6020 at Robert Morris University. My presentation is Coca-Cola versus Southwest Airlines. A little history. Coca-Cola was created in 1886 by an Atlanta pharmacist named John S. Pemberton. The company was actually founded as Coca-Cola in 1892 and is headquartered in Atlanta, Georgia. It's the largest beverage manufacturer in the world, with 2,800 products available in 200 countries. There's actually only 2 countries in the world you cannot get a Coke: Cuba and North Korea. Some important dates in Coca-Cola's history. In 1904, their sales hit the 1 million gallon mark. In 1931, they first started using Santa Claus with their Christmas commercials. Their first TV ad was on Thanksgiving Day in 1950. 1982, they came out with Diet Coke, which is a favorite of many people in my family. In 2009, Coca-Cola Freestyle fountain dispensers allowed you to pick from over 100 variations. Those are the ones that you would go up to and you would push the different syrups and stuff that you wanted to add to your Coke or Diet Coke or whatever it might be. 3 of the best TV ads that have ever been made by Coca-Cola were in 1971, "I'd like to buy the world a Coke." They still use that tagline today. In 1979, many people in Pittsburgh will know Mean Joe Green, and in 1993, they did the Northern Lights. Southwest is a much newer company. They were established on March 15th of 1967 in Dallas, Texas. They're rated number 3 in the top-rated workplaces according to Indeed in 2019. And they have a staff of 60,000 members and 4,000 flights daily. They focus on customer service, transparency philosophy of treating customers honest, fairly, keeping the fares low, and the bags fly free is one of their main taglines. Some important dates in their history. From 1967 to 1970, there were a lot of lawsuits among them and other airlines in Texas. In 1971, they actually bought their first 3 737s, and they were financed through Boeing. In June 8th of 1971, 650,000 shares of stock at $11 a share. Currently, they're over $54 per share. In June 18th of 1971, they began their service in Dallas, Houston, and San Antonio, offering $20 one-way flights. So they would fly in what they would call the triangle between those 3 cities in Texas. In 71, they had an advertising budget of approximately $700,000. And in 1974, they had their 1 millionth customer. Just 15 years later, they hit their $1 billion revenue mark. 94, they started ticketless travel, and in 19, they implemented the new Rapid Rewards Priority Card, and that's when the company really began to take off. Market segmentation with Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola targets every person in the world who likes a sugared or sweet soft drinks. No matter who they are, they find them and make them their customers. Coca-Cola has a very large social media presence, and you see them almost everywhere. They listen to their customers' wants and needs. They're open to new customers, new cultures and scents. They love using local products, and they have a passion for unique experiences. They've also been known to be working more sustainability within their business, because that's what the people want. TV advertisements. Coca-Cola does not target at people under the age of 12. If the show is aimed at people under 12 and 35% of the viewers are under that, Coca-Cola will not advertise on that channel or during that show. Some of the different ads that they've worked on: the Share a Coke. The Share a Coke campaign was aimed at the younger adults, so you could have friends over and pull a Coke out with their name on it. The Brotherly Love commercial, which was a real tearjerker for a lot of the mothers out there, which was Big Brother protecting younger brother. And who doesn't love the Christmas ads with the polar bears? Coca-Cola aims to try to be progressive and open-minded intellectuals. They want people out there enjoying life, having fun, going out, trying new places, and trying new things. Southwest. Southwest market segmentation, they used to be aimed at the budget-conscious person and families. That was due to the low cost of travel and the high flexibility. Did you know you could change your flight anytime for free? You can also carry on 2 bags. Or you can also check 2 bags for free. And they have open seating. You get assigned A, B, or C group, and that's how you board. Some people don't like that, but I happen to be a big Southwest Airlines fan. As the families slowed down on traveling a little bit, they decided that they needed to target the corporate customer. So they came out with a new corporate program, which was the Business Select class, which would allow them even more flexibility in changing their flights and give them twice the points every time that they booked. They would also get early board check-in and get a free drink. A lot of the business people like the Wi-Fi and the live dish on board, which helps make the corporate travel for people who are in the air a lot. A lot of our vendors that we use actually fly Southwest exclusively. Relationships and loyalty with external customers. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola has maintained a brand loyalty for the last 125 years, even though the customers have changed. They've maintained a connection between loving the brand and consuming the product. The social media has used extensive market research to stay connected with the customers and know exactly what they want. They've also been willing to be flexible with the changing environment. Coke Zero was a product that came out for people who were worried about the taste of Coke, but still wanted the health. They've also come out with sports drinks, juice, tea, and milk. Coca-Cola is focused on making their product more premium. They don't bargain price their products or mass productions. They've actually started to use smaller bottles and cans in unique packaging. It has encouraged people to buy to create the experience. 12-ounce can, I don't know that I like the little ones. Also, since 1984, they've given back $820 million to enhance sustainability worldwide. Relationships and loyalty with external customers. Southwest Airlines. In the customer service business, Southwest is in the customer service business. It just happens to fly planes. They have a family approach, which makes the customers continue to come back to Southwest. They love how they can work with the stewardess and the flight attendants and the ticketing and the counters and all those people. They have a positive experience and flexibility. They have a number of innovative programs which are unique and challenging to keep everyone intrigued to keep coming back. Their loyalty program, the Rapid Rewards, is wonderful. You get points for every dollar you spend on their credit card. The points add up quickly. There's no blackout dates. You can shop and use dollars, points, or both. Also, people love the 2 bags fly free, including golf clubs, and there's no change fees. Artificial intelligence and big data. The Global Director of Digital Innovations, artificial intelligence is the foundation of everything we do. We create intelligence experiences. Artificial intelligence is the kernel that powers that experience. AI resides in Coca-Cola touchscreen vending machines, a customized drink with shots of flavor. They launched Cherry Sprite based on the monitoring of collection of the data with the algorithms that they found what people were using. Southwest also uses their customer service data and analytics with their Aspect software, which is a leading provider to fully integrated customer interaction workforce and office solutions. It will help the front-end employees receive real-time key performance indicators. It will also help the customers and personnel have meaningful conversations. The digital transformation. Coca-Cola. Coke has been using augmented reality in the plants. It's helped connect the technicians to the experts who can fix the machines or offer other equipment that's malfunctioned. They're able to see exactly what what the tech team can see in real time. This allows the managers to get more from the resources they have, higher volume, higher quality, and reducing costs. When a machine goes down, every hour can be hundreds of thousands of dollars of lost revenue. If a person has to come and fix it, it can cost as much as $10,000 for them to fly in and fix it. Southwest. The OpSuite, built by Southwest, is a Texas-based software design firm. They've also worked with Mercedes-Benz Financial Services, Capital One, and Neiman Marcus. It's a web-based app that handles the tasks to ensure the travelers make it from point A to point B. It monitors everything from gate assignments, uses, luggage loaded, etc. The big selling point is it will help all of their technology to talk together and make it work. The downside with it is it has a price tag of over $800 million in technology, and Southwest is having a really hard time to spend that much on operations to be able to keep their costs down. Personnel decisions. The sense of pride of working for Coke. There's always opportunities to grow, peak performance, management, success. Coca-Cola University, which helps to train them right on the job for everything that they need to do and help them advance. They depend on every employee in the organization, and it's a one-of-a-kind work experience. They sponsor the Olympics and the World Cups. Southwest hires based on attitude, not experience. When you're hired, they immerse you in the customer service of the company. You're trained not only to give great customer service, but you're allowed to give great customer service. They want their customers to be treated as family and friends, to continue people coming back. Here's a list of my references. Thank you for listening to my presentation. It has been an excellent class, and have a great holiday.